going to be doing baking. If I can actually find a spoon, then this will actually make sense. What spoon would be the best? The little one? No, I use that one normally.
If you're for mixing the cake on the whiskey things.
And I'll use the spoon. What, the whisks?
Yeah.
I always use a spoon. But okay. So, what whisk?
Doesn't matter. Depends just when you find better in your hand.
Thermal one. What is this? What is this, Mum? What is?
With a drink thing.
Oh, that stupid milkshake. Anyway, back to today's episode. So, I need to move some bits and bobs because I was over there and now I'm over here. And Ziggy, your ear is actually in camera shot.
Get him off the side.
No.
You shouldn't be up there while you're cooking.
Come on, boy. Now say hello. You can say goodbye. Hello. I'll see you at the end. Run away. Before we start whisking. Whoa. Plug in. Whoa. Sorry, my tablet's dying, so I have to have it plugged in, but I want to move it away from the cat. How dangerous. I'm going to smash my egg. Don't you dare have any smart ideas, little man. Just show everything, okay? First of all, what you want is a large mixing bowl. Is this large or is this medium?
Large.
Large. You want a medium-sized egg. Don't literally just put it in like that, otherwise you're gonna get a 75 milliliters of water, or 100 for me. Oh, whiskey disc. And depending on what you want to do, I'm going to be doing this pouch here from Tesco's, the sponge mix. But you could...
Don't need a dish to put it in when you've done it.
I'm going to get that in a minute. But my mum was kind of telling me what I need to get in there. So, just in case I forget something, my mum will be like, don't you need to get this out? But, Mum?
Yes.
What's our biggest one?
You don't want the biggest one.
One
Go too big, it doesn't fry properly.
And because you also need a pan, you do also need some butter. But we'll grease the butter. Mum, do I do it now?
It's up to you. Like, get kitchen roll, put the kitchen roll in it, and then wipe the kitchen roll around it.
Why don't you be the one who says what I'm doing wrong? You're the one who did this. Okay, so I got way too much there. So we're going to get just 2 pieces and half it. If you're a germaphobe, I'm saying I am, you normally get 2 pieces, half it again, and half it again. If I was a germaphobe, my room would not be in the tip that it is in. And you just want to put your fingers on the flat side like that. So just move everything away. With your butter, you want to just kind of have it flat, your thumb on it. I normally find it easier if you do this, and then you want to just rub on some of the butter. Come on, I need butter. See, so you've got some butter. You get your baking tray, and you want to move it around. Now you want to make sure you put all of the sides as well. Remember, keep greasing it. So you've got all of the corners, and it's just a place that most people forget, and then the cake sticks there. But yeah, you want to make sure you've got all of this, and it's just all greased. Sorry, Chris Lightning here, Chris Lightning. Some nights happen so fast. Some nights happen to blast. I met a girl crazy for me. I met a boy summer nights. Oh well, oh well, oh well. Oh. Tell me more, like the sea has a. Tell me more, la da 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 da. Do da da, shoo ba ba, shoo ba ba, yeah. Sorry, it's from Greece. So make sure you've got all of it on there for this, and you want to just put this aside. Now, take your account. I will put it aside. Get your bowl. Now, with your in here, do that. And what you're going to do then is you're going to open it just really lightly, and you'll just start to shake it in. Crazy for me. I'm going to make sure as well. Sorry. This is next day, and because of how quickly we do our washing, I can already wear this again because we put washing on last night, and then we did the drying this morning, and that's how calm it's like now, like nearly 11:30. So, and it's really warm still because of it being in the thing. So we make sure you've got nothing long on your arms, or if you do roll it up, I normally just take it off and just kind of flatten it first. Other people are going to be eating this, so don't mix it hands all the way through, because I don't think they'd actually be very happy with that. Then, what you want to do is you want to add your egg. Now this is where I do it. I get the bigger bit, I take off the little bit over the top of it. Just to get that yolk in there first, you want to just rock it back and forth if you want to do a nice, clean mixture. And then with the yolk, you want to put it over the other side. So you have one over one side, the yolk over the other. Okay? Right, that's why you want spare as well, so because you put yucky stuff on it. And then you want to mix. So look, if you know, there is the yellow bit and there is the clear bit. I'm going to mix it. Why do I have tissue attached to me? You're not meant to be part of the recipe. Crazy for me, mad boy, cute as can be. So like once it starts to get into big clumps like it is now, it kind of becomes a bit orangey like that, you want to just add in a little bit of your water. You're going to mix that all in to that nice doughy mixture. And as soon as it starts to get a bit hard again, more. And you want to add it over the whisk though as well. I normally do half, and then add the other half in. So disgusting that is. And I'm going to mix it. All in. I'm going to mix it all the way until you've got this nice smooth mixture. So some people say, I say it's good if you have a roll your hands backwards and forwards, you make like a kind of star pattern, and other people say it's good to do this again. It's up to you, because I do it, and yeah, or you could go watch it, I mean, her videos are super long and they're super cool. I think this has been going for about an hour. Mum, if you said turn the oven off again. I think that's a fan.
Yeah, I know.
I'm going to dip my pinky in it and just move it a little bit, lift it up. And look, see, it's kind of clean. Go. Make sure all of these lumps and bumps and stuff, don't get a lump. These lumps and bumps are gone. I will be pausing this as well though, and you'll be seeing it once it's done. mix it till it's done. And it's like clear. I didn't do anything. Now your baking tray comes back on. And you want to just begin to pour it over the pan. Right, so once it's stopped and it's really hard to get out, I'm going to put that over there just in case. And I'm going to get my old trusty wooden spoon. And this one loves Telecan. I would say lick it, but no. Just rub it through that. There you go. Nothing happened. I am making basically these little square cakes. I have done another episode today, and that was the breakfast cooking. Because I said you guys was going to do some cooking. And see what's cooking on. So I decided to do my breakfast. Used to it. What we think is how we can do it. I only rub the side. In the back of your wooden spoon, you want to go over it. Just there. Just a little kind of it. Make sure all the sides. Okay, and then you want to put this in for 1 second, close. Okay, I'm going to put it in for 15 minutes and then I'm going to have a look. I'm going to put on the top tray near the back so it doesn't go way too fast. I for 15. Come on, I need 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. It's on there for 50 minutes, so I'll see you once it's done. I'm going to go play some rules. Remember that you want to make sure that you keep your eyes on it, because you want to make sure they've gone brown, and sometimes they do go short and all of that lot, so yeah. You guys, just so you know, when you stab it, I don't want to stab it with the chopstick because it makes like a thin point and it gets bigger instead of just going like that. You could just go a little down to the bottom, up, it's sticky. Carry on. But yeah, so it is going to be more than 15 minutes. Well, actually this one isn't, but the other one is. So basically it's 15 minutes. This video will end. And then part 2 will show you how to level off the cake. Basically you can't just leave the cake as it is and just eat like that. But part 2 will show you how to level off the cake, how to ice the cake. What we're doing properly. So yeah, I will write in the description, go watch part 2. It is called Da 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 Da. Then I'll call part 2.